Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my July Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing. So you guys want to know what's in each of my Ipsy bags this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to get started with the $10 subscription this month. Let's see. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, this is the bag, little palm print bag. Really like this one. And there's something outside of the bag for this month. This is Pacifica. This is the Bronze Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer. I hope it smells like roses and coconut. All right, so this is actually like a really big size. Definitely a full-size product, not like a little sample. Oh my gosh. It definitely smells like roses. So it's definitely scented, which makes me really happy. And then the back is mirrored, which is nice for like application. I've never seen packaging like that. It's definitely a good size. I want to swatch both of these because I actually think I would use this. Like, these are both colors that suit my complexion, especially this like cool tone blush. Yeah, I definitely think I'm gonna end up wearing this. The bronzer really blends into my skin tone. It's definitely a bit lighter, but that blush reminds me of like, kind of like Milani Luminoso, but a little bit more mauve-y and less peach. Ooh, so that is the duo. It looks like giant contact case or something, but I'm already happy with this bag because I was pretty disappointed with my glam bag last month, and this is already a full-size product in shades that I would wear. I don't have a lot of Pacifica products. I've had like a couple of their body lotions and body splashes, but never any of their makeup, I don't think. So this is super cute, full size, shades that I actually like. And then let's get into the bag. I'm like excited now just because I also think that this bag is super cute. Let's see, we have, this is a nail polish, I think. So I'm staring at the name of the brand. I'm gonna call it Cusio. I'm not sure if that's right. It's probably completely wrong. This is, oh, like a purpley polish. Definitely like a pretty color for fall. So that's a full-size nail polish. It's been so long since I've gotten nail polishes in Ipsy's. I used to get them like monthly, like 2 or 3 years ago. And this, okay, this is from Murad. So this is already like a way better bag than last month. This is their Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. Let me see if it smells like oranges. All right, so it definitely does have a vitamin C, like citrusy scent to it. I love citrus scented skincare products, vitamin C infused products. Already this bag is so good because this is actually like a good size. Usually you get like those little mini samples, but that's something that could last me like at least a few weeks. And then, ooh, I'm excited for this. This is from Glam Go. So usually we get all our skincare like this size, but this is probably more expensive. This is Glam Glow. This is their Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. So I think it's like a little tinted moisturizer. I don't think it's necessarily tinted like a BB cream, but tinted like it has a little bit of a highlight to it. You can't even see it because it has just like a little bit of a reflective look to it. And it smells exactly like my favorite Glam Glow product. I think it's called the Mega Glow Moisturizer, and I also love the Dream Duo. It smells just like that. It smells like a creamsicle or like a push pop. It's all like citrusy, which I love. I love everything I've gotten so far. And then lastly, oh, this is an eyeshadow from Colored Rain. This is awesome because Colored Rain, they have, I only have that one Queen of Hearts palette. I haven't tried anything outside of that palette, but I love that eyeshadow formula and I've always been interested in buying more from them. So let's see what color. Ooh, this is definitely like a color I would wear too. It's the color called Who Me. It's especially made for Ipsy, so it's not in other eyeshadow palettes, but this is just like a neutral lid color that I would totally wear like every day of my life. The formula is so buttery, so creamy. That is gorgeous. It's like similar to what I have on my eyes right now. This is the California Love palette from ColourPop that I'm wearing. Oh, but that is such a pretty foiled shade and actually like a brand that I like and want to try more from. I like everything in this bag this month, like down to the actual bag itself. I like everything. The thing that I'm the least excited for is the nail polish, but I still like the nail polish. All of these like are products that I would wear on a day-to-day basis. I'm so excited. And everything I got is a good brand. I remember like last month, I really did not like a single product that I received. So you always get hits and misses, but it was a really good bag. And especially like these are really good size products for the $10 subscription. All right, so let's get into the Glam Bag Plus. Let's see what's inside. So first of all, I saw the brand and I got excited. This is from Touch in Sol. This is called Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. So it's a moisturizer from Touch in Sol. I didn't know that they made like body products. I'm assuming it's like a body lotion. Looking at it a little bit more, this might actually be a face moisturizer in just like a really big jar. Oh, this is so cute. I like this. I'm so excited. All right, so this is definitely not a body lotion. This is definitely a face cream, and this is a gel face moisturizer. I'm so excited. I love gel moisturizers. And the only product that I've tried from Touch in Sol is the No Problem primer. I always mess up the name of that, but I love that primer so much. So I'm definitely very excited to try this out. Let's see how much it's worth, because this is one of those brands that I think everything is so expensive because I like the formula, but it's not as expensive as I think. Okay, so this is a value of $38 and it's a regular like skincare product. Oh, I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna use this. I'm like already like that was worth it enough for me. I didn't even know that this product existed, but I'm so happy to have it now because I really like that brand and I want to try more from them. Oh, okay, so I already love this. I actually just used up one of these. I have another one that I just opened up. This is the Rose Glow Mist, but I love the Glow Mist from Pixi. I just finished a whole one up because I love it so much. I've never officially tried the Tatcha dewy spray, but I'm assuming this is like a drugstore version of that. So that's why I really like this. I'll spray it onto my beauty blender before I blend out my foundation, just to make my foundation a little bit more dewy. I think this is awesome, or just apply it like all over my face before my foundation or before my primer. It's definitely a little too dewy to use it as a setting mist. It'll actually just look like you put oil on your face. But definitely as a primer but while you're blending out your makeup, this is amazing if you want your skin to look more glowy, more dewy without looking oily. Love this so much. So that's another great one. And then I saw something else that I really like. This is the It Cosmetics. This is crazy because I literally hated everything in both of my Ipsy bags last month, and I'm obsessed with everything so far. So this is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I got one of these in BoxyCharm like last year. Love it. It's awesome when I'm not wearing falsies. This is a great mascara because it gives you so much volume, separation without clumpiness. Love this stuff so much. And then this is from Benefit. This is their Go-Go Tint Bright Cherry Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one specifically, but I just want to show you guys the color. So it's basically the same color as my lipstick. That is Bright Red Cheek Stain. Let me know if you guys use products like those, because I'm really not like so much of a liquid face makeup kind of person. So let me know how you feel about liquid highlighters, blushes. Not always my favorite thing because I feel like they're a little bit messy, but still this is another full-size, high-end product. And then lastly, is this an eyeshadow palette? Speechless. This is even like too dark for me, but I'm still blown away. I'm still gonna wear this whole thing. Oh my gosh, like I need to take a second. And my mind is blown. This is great. I feel like this is so expensive. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see the prices. So I want to see how much that Huda Beauty. Okay, so let's backtrack. This is a Huda Beauty 3D highlighting palette. Expensive. So it is valued at $45. I know that some of these shades are too dark, but I'm totally gonna make them work on my face. This is just so like, oh, that looks sexy. It's so pretty. She actually looks like JLo here, like one of the older JLo album covers. That's exactly what it looks like to me. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm gonna use like half of this is eyeshadow, half of this is highlighter. Oh my gosh, so creamy. Oh my god, this is actually a cream. That's why it's so creamy. This is like a bronzer shade, blush topper. Oh, these are so beautiful. My mind is blown. This is wonderful. this is the highlight of my week and the highlight that's gonna be on my face for the rest of the month. So let me know if you got that highlighter palette too. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, so expensive. I know we always get things in the Glam Bag Plus that are around like that same value, but that's something that's actually something that I wanted and didn't buy because it's so pricey. Okay, so everything is so expensive here. So this Pixie Mist, well, it's $15. It's not that pricey, but still, this is something that I love. I literally just used one up like 3 days ago. Then the It Cosmetics mascara, $24. I need to get some water because of that highlighter palette just like blew me away. $24 for the mascara. The cream, this is $38. Pretty Filter Water Glow. The highlighter palette's $45. And then lastly, the Benefit product is $30. This is the one thing that I'm probably not gonna use just because it's not my preference, but it's still like an amazing product if you're into liquid highlighters and blushes. Oh my gosh, so both of these bags were so good. I cannot get over this highlighter palette. I feel like somebody just gave me a puppy on Christmas with this highlighter palette. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for everything, especially I didn't even know this existed, but I'm so happy to have it in my life now. Like, I needed this. I didn't know I needed it, but I needed it. So both of the bags this month feel like I just opened up Christmas presents, which is such a good feeling because last month I'm like, I just wasted money on this because there was like nothing that I wanted to keep from my bags. But this was like totally made up for everything. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited to start using everything. I will probably use some of these products in an upcoming like get ready with me or tutorial, probably on an Instagram tutorial I'll film this week with the Huda Beauty palette. Oh my gosh, like I'm so happy now. That like totally made my week. Yeah, so that is everything in both of my Ipsy bags for July. I love them, so great. Let me know what you guys got in your bags this month. Let me know if you got any of the same products. I'd love to know if you got like the same shades or different shades as well. But that's gonna be everything for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.